neck now.
Yeah, see? That's what happens when you mouth off. That's a deep fucking hole.
Yeah, that was pretty deep. All down the neck.
That's what happens, dude.
Guaranteed shower tonight, buddy.
I thought it would have been just because we were riding.
Sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, sometimes.
That's nasty,
We never
dude.
get this muddy, dude.
That's nasty,
We
dude.
don't even break a sweat doing this shit,
That's
dude.
nasty.
The fuck? I could not break a sweat the whole night. Who cares? Let's go. I hate them all. Let's go. Fuck them all. Let's go.
Cut it out. Cut it
I
out.
don't like any of them. Fuck you, Rocket. Fucking dickhead. How's your quad, Rocket?
Fine, dude.
Yep. Definitely shower. Feel it running down my neck now. It depends, dude. It depends. If I get dirty, definitely.
You know he's taking the whoops.
Oh yeah, fuck yeah.
Maybe.
Fuck it, let's go to the fucking Cumberland. Let's go, motherfucker. RJ's buddy right there. Works with RJ right here. He won 10 grand on a fucking Red Sox scratch ticket. He put it down a few years ago to the Patriots to win the Super Bowl, and he won like 100 grand. He
Nice.
put that second level on his house. Oh yeah. You can't catch them, dude. They're gone.
Oh, I'm gonna.
They're gone, dude. He's gone, dude. He's
Yeah.
gone.
Yeah,
It's
he's-
gone, dude. It's gone.
Been a long time since Rocket was on a quad on these.
We're gonna get back. We're gonna get the sand track. You're gonna beg me to fucking ride the quad back. Let me ride with Gary, please.
No way, dude. Dude, the guy pours concrete for a living. He can handle it.
This is a lot better than the other night, dude. The other night I was hurting on the way back, dude.
Well, I mean, we still got the ride back, so.
Halfway point right here. And you
Hit
crack.
that wide open.
You suck, dude.
Oh my god, I got a Woody. You hit that wide open.
You got no Woody.
Oh.
I mean, who are you missing?
I don't know.
Everybody except me, you, and Rocket.
6, 7, 8, 9.
That sounds good.
4.
Look at that, dude. Look at that, dude. Like brand new, dude. Look at that.
Look at you, dude.
Purposely got your lights off?
Yeah. Yeah, because I knew Joey was turning around looking back. I didn't want to blind him.
Is that 10 of us?
Yep, 10. Yep.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No Dave. No Dave.
Dave won't come on the road. Fuck it, let's go.
No Dave.
Who? Who?
Dave.
Who's that?
Your fucking buddy.
Dude, look at that mirror, dude.
Buddy. good, dude. Nice job.
I'll work on the front when we stop.
That's gotta be frozen.
Yup.
You know what I gotta do, dude? I gotta get a ice scraper. Just keep the ice scraper in the machine. Whoa.
I don't know why nobody visits 295 when they do this for a regular. I love it. You?
Yeah, I'm cool with it.
Oh, fuck! I should have been paying attention.
Yeah, well,
Oh, fuck, man.
that's what happens,
Let's
dude.
go visit 295, dude. Fuck these motherfuckers. Up and around. Let's go.
What?
Come on. This way.
Dude, we gotta go on
Come down
295.
this way, dude. Oh, man. You're one of the guys.
Gotta stay out of the spotlight, dude.
You're like a fucking bleep, dude. Oh,
You might be, and you deserve it for talking shit.
that fucker hurt me bad.
You deserve it for running your fucking yappa.
I know. My fucking, oh, shit. He's probably being a wise ass, dude.
Oh, she stalled on him.
Whoa. Why is he backfiring?
Oh, backfiring.
Should have bought a Nissan.
Dude, I'm telling you, it's that fucking throttle thing that we did to Ryan's.
What's up, bitch?
What, you blow it up?
Nah.
Got a little water in the intake?
Woo. Dude, I took a stick up there. Fuck.
Your face is all full of shit.
Oh, yeah, dude. I was
It's like the
determined.
second cool part right here. It don't sound good.
Open that air box. What's in it?
Set some water. Shut your lights off.
Open that air box.
Blow your light.
Should probably get out, huh? See, I got a headlight on my fucking head. Help
Yeah.
him out.
What happened? What's that, buddy?
Shut
No, not out here.
Keep it running, right?
On the mountain, who cares? But
Yeah, keep it
yeah,
running.
leave it
Yeah,
running.
I got you.
Check engine light.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry. Oh, my fault. My fault. Sorry.
It's dry, man. It's
Air
good.
filter's clean.
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
It was running fucking beautiful. Like that
What are you doing over here?
It's that fucking throttle lever, dude. Remember that video I showed you? I'm telling you, it's a common issue.
Did it, but what's the matter? Hold on, you gotta.
Do you remember how I fixed Ryan's quad? I put that bottle cap in his throttle.
Oh yeah.
I got
It's a common issue.
I got a vitamin water. Start this fucker up.
Hold that brake in? Yes, sir. Look at that.
Fucking check engine light, huh?
What the fuck?
Put your seat back on for a second.
Yeah. This fucking grip is toasty warm, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, dude, my hands
Either
are-
it's heated or you're holding on for dear fucking life.
No,